This is a review of the High2 LED wall sconce lights that we were going to be doing a review and install on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review install, we are going to show you guys everything more in depth about it. And from there, we are going to show you guys the finished results when I have it mounted onto my home. So without going further, let's go more in depth about this light and show you guys more about it. Okay, so one thing I love about these LED wall sconce lights is that it feels very nice and durable. It's extremely heavy, so that right there tells you that the quality of this is really amazing. Another thing I love about this is that it comes with the dusk to dawn feature as well too. So what that does and what that means is that when it becomes like dusk, it will automatically have a sensor where it just turns on, which is really a cool feature that it comes with that as well too. Another thing I love about it as well too is that the glass over here is extremely high quality. If you take a look up close, you can see how beautiful this glass is. It's like a crystal glass that's really a high quality design that they put. It's really amazing, and that tells you right there that this is definitely a high quality product. And I just love the gold design of this as well too. But right over here on the back, it comes with the wires that the ground that you have to connect to, and this the positive as well too, and then this right over here. Then there's like a plate that goes on the back that we are going to put on as well too. But that's all the stuff to this gold light. But what we're gonna do now is that we are going to go outside and we are going to install this, and from there I'm going to show you guys the finished results when I have it installed onto my home.
Okay, so this is the finished results of the outdoor wall sconce lights during the daytime. This is how they look like, and it's IP65 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting inside. And the material is also anti-rust corrosion as well too, so the color will remain the way it is, and you don't have to worry about the color changing over time as weather and corrosion gets in. So it is weatherproof and anti-rust corrosion as well too. But you can see how elegant and beautiful this looks like during the daytime, and it makes the house pop and looks really nice, especially on the bricks that you can see right over here. And it looks like an emerald that pops out, and you can see how beautiful it looks like during the daytime. But what we're gonna do now is that I'm going to show you guys how it is from the dusk to dawn feature, where it has the feature where it automatically turns on as it gets dark. So without going further, let's show you guys a nighttime view of these wall sconce lights in action mode. Okay, so it is dusk now and it's getting dark, and you can see they automatically turn on, like I told you guys before, the dusk to dawn feature. And this right over here is by far a perfect way to change the entire exterior of your home. It looks absolutely beautiful. The crystal glass on this is real, that you can see here, really high quality, and you can see how beautiful this is. The sensor is located on the bottom right over here, where it has the dusk to dawn feature, where it automatically turns on when it becomes dark. So that's one huge plus about this product, is that it automatically turns on when it detects that it is getting dark. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these. Like I told you guys before, IP65 waterproof. It is resistant against corrosion as well too, and the gold looks really nice during the daytime. It looks like an emerald, and something that makes the house pop as well. So if you are looking for wall sconce lights to change the entire appearance of your home and to stand out from the crowd, then these right over here are by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.